By watching the video, you'll be able to breathe new life into your article. Following are some of the objectives of the articles. The articles focus on topics or matters of interest. The articles provide background information on the topics. They offer suggestions and pieces of advice and also the writer's opinions. They influence the readers and urge them to think. Be professional, meticulously research, validate, and write. Make the article meaningful. Articles should have a purpose. Don't overdo images. Avoid using overly complex graphics. Proofread. Fine-tune the content. Focus on grammar and sentence formation. Write unique content. Unique content means having well-written structure, engaging ideas, and plagiarism-free content. Focus on the target audiences. Be aware of the audiences that you are writing for. Don't forget your audiences. Writing for the wrong audience can reduce the appeal of the content. Do not use complicated vocabulary. Easier to read vocabulary. Use language appropriate for the audience. Don't write an ineffective title. The title should grab the reader's attention. Don't open with a weak introduction. It should hook the audience. Avoid wordy content. Avoid the repetition of words. Don't plagiarize. Give credit to the source. Readability. Writers can get carried away by their thoughts. Writer's block. It occurs when writers find it challenging to express their thoughts. Meeting deadlines. It can be challenging to complete the article within the specified time. Curtailed creative freedom. Sometimes the guidelines or the requirements of the article can place restrictions on the creativity of the writers. Research. Writers do not thoroughly conduct the research. Articles must be organized and have a proper structure to draw the attention of the readers. The basic outline for an article writing format includes 1. Heading, title. 2. Writer's name. 3. Body, the main part of the article. They should support the thesis statement and should contain evidence. 4. Conclusion. It should contain opinions or recommendations, anticipation, or an appeal. Brainstorming. To avoid writer's block, make a list of ideas. Eliminate distractions. Create a peaceful environment. Focus on a single task. Research efficiently. Conduct thorough research. Cite the sources. Keep it simple. Do not use complicated jargon. Edit after writing. Proofread. Check the article and edit if required.